Hi, I'm Caroline. I am the assistant editor for Home 52.
And I'm Jada, the market editor at Food 52.
Oh my God, what is my take on gifting? What's your take on gifting?
So my take on gifting is to be as generous as you can. I think whether it's the holidays, a special occasion like someone's birthday, I think being generous, always makes the recipient and your loved one feel as loved as they can be, and to always be really personal about it.
So my take on gifting is to give someone something that's as personal as possible. I feel like the best gifts that I give are the ones that I'm really thinking about the person and thinking about what they like. And it feels really good to give someone something that you've put a lot of thought into, and it makes them feel really special too.
So the theme of our gift guide is gifts under $100 and $50 from the Food 52 shop. So here are some of my favorite gift guide items. First up is the Hawkins, New York waffle slipper and bathrobe set. So this set has really soft waffle slippers and a robe that goes with it. So, super fun to wear, very easy to throw on, and just super comfortable inside the house. One thing you might want to leave out for Santa if they're tired of cookies this year is a cheese and nut board. So right now we have all of our favorite snacks on this beautiful dance board. And what's cool about it is that it comes in a gift set with a cheese knife. And it has a really cool divot here on the side.
Very
so that,
cute.
When you're serving, you can just slip your knife in there and it doesn't move around.
Very nice. I think the best gift I've ever given, at least in recent years, was that one of my very good friends were very into the show Outlander, and therefore became obsessed with Scotland. And for one Christmas, I actually bought her a plot of land. It's like a 1-by-1 plot of land in Scotland, so that you can actually visit it. And she's now called a laird, technically, in Scotland. She's a property owner.
So this is mine.
Got it. Don't get my own snacks.
But one thing I will share with you is this rumple blanket. During the pandemic, everyone's been, trying to go outside more, and so this puffy blanket is perfect for people who want to stay outside and still feel a little bit cozy.
Ooh.
And it's from one of our favorite brands called Rumple, and they make these really great outdoor blankets that are, weatherproof, great for the cold. And what's really fun about it is that it wraps up and it folds up into its own little carrying case.
Ooh. Can we open it?
Yeah, of course.
I'm excited to see what this looks like. Ooh, it looks just like the thing, the outside. Oh my gosh. Jada, I want one. Wow, it's so pretty.
Wait, it's upside down.
Look at it.
Yeah. So this one is depicting the Joshua Tree National Park. So great for someone who's been to Joshua Tree or someone who just loves national parks.
Jada.
Yes. We're almost there, we're almost there.
Let's get it higher. Oh my gosh, we did it.
Nailed it.
And now
yes.
we can put it back in the trunk of the car.
Yes.
Love it. Okay.
So these are all my gift guide picks. Caroline, I can't wait to see what you're picking.
These were really good, and now I'm worried that you might have beat me. I don't know, but we're gonna see.
Don't worry, it's not a competition.
You're right. It's
Or
the
is
holidays. So I think my signature gift is usually something handmade. I tend to do a lot of DIY stuff, and throughout the course of all the things that I make, people will request things, and I really like giving people things that I've actually made because it feels special to make it for them, and then when they put it in their home, it's just really nice. It's like the ultimate validation for someone to want something that you made.
What is your signature gift? My signature gift is a little bit unexciting. As much as I love to be, super generous and super thoughtful with all of my gifts, and I think I am, I think my signature go-to gift that everyone always is grateful for is a gift card. I always choose their favorite store so they can get their favorite products without, having to pay for it themselves. It's on my dime, and so I think a gift card has been my signature gift.
So I guess I'll start with these guys in the front. So these are made by a company called Bamboozle, and they're actually made from bamboo, and they kind of look like they're made of plastic, but they're much better for the environment.
Cute.
And they come in all these beautiful colors. They almost look like all of the Food 52 colors. They're just so beautiful. I had to order them for my kitchen for myself. Actually, I'm moving, and I needed a new set. And anything, basically, what I give to people as gifts are things that I already like myself. So these I actually really, really like, and I think they're so cute, and they'll go with anyone's kitchen too, because they're a lot of different colors. I have these glasses actually in, I think they're white wine glasses, and they're this shape, but they just have a stem, and they have also coupes and little stemless guys. And they come in several different colors. These ones are like a really pretty smoked bluish green. They're really beautiful and they look so good on my bar cart. I get a lot of compliments on them. Okay, so this is actually possibly one of my favorite things in the world. I have this myself, of course, and it's a fabric shaver, and it works on sweaters and any kind of fabric that has pills on it. So I actually use this on my couch because it's fabric and it tends to get like little pills. So instead of, like, I feel like when things get pilled, people are just like, all right, well, it's over. I guess I just gotta throw it out.
A little old.
Yeah, but a couch, you don't really have that luxury unless you are ready to replace your couch. This is the perfect thing to actually just revive it, or any old sweater. Like if you have an old sweater that you really love, it's amazing. You just turn it on, it's a little motorized razor, but for your sweater.
I can see it like getting a lot smoother.
Yeah, you can see the fibers coming off of it.
All right.
Okay, now the best part.
How much?
Yeah.
How much do you think we got off?
Open it up. I feel like it won't be a lot. Yep, there it is. There's all the fibers that came off of the sweater. It's a really magical thing.
Wow.
I really love it.
Look how much we got off of Caroline's arm.
Just my one arm. Imagine what my other arm would do. So this next item, or items, were actually on both of our lists.
Yes.
These I actually don't have, but I really want them. So.
Wink, wink, nudge,
Yeah,
nudge.
exactly.
All right, I got you.
They have like a really good weight to them. They're not extremely heavy, but they're also not really light. And they're minimal, and they come in lots of colors. And I don't have a cake stand, so I need a cake stand.
But I also really love that they come in 3 sizes, so no matter what you're baking, there's a pretty good chance that it'll fit on these cakes. So this is the medium size, but then there's a bigger one that's a 12-inch size, so for anyone who's cooking, you know, a feast.
Big cake.
Yeah. That'll be perfect. And then we've got this like itty bitty small one that is so precious.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
It would be cute with even like one cupcake on it.
And these also come in a bunch of pastel colors, which I love. I love the soft, subdued colors. And one of them actually comes in a jade color, which I'm named after.
My favorite holiday song is definitely The Little Saint Nick by the Beach Boys. I loved the Beach Boys album as a kid. My mom would always play it in the car. And we actually have a little ornament on our tree that plays that song. It's my favorite ornament.
Without a doubt, favorite holiday song has to be, no question about it, All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. I can play that on loop 20 times a day and I'll still be loving it at the end of the season. All right, thanks everyone for joining our gift guide today, and you can find everything below in our shop gift.
In our gift shop.
Maybe you should just do this.
Well, thank you so much for watching and seeing all the gifts that we have to offer this season. And if you want to shop any of them, the link is in the description below. You can shop in the Food 52 shop. And from us at the Home 52 and Food 52 team, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Is that good? Was it? Yeah, I mean.
It was like begrudgingly like, happy holidays.
Was it? Did I already said happy holidays though, didn't I?